I believe this is question number 6. Jerry's Jelly Bean Factory produces 2,000 pounds of jelly beans per month and sells them in the perfectly competitive market. The marginal cost is $3 per pound. The average variable cost is $2 per pound. And the beans sell for $3 per pound. Jerry is A, maximizing profit. B, could increase his profit by producing more beans. C, increase his profit by producing fewer beans. D, increase his profit by raising the price of his beans. And our tutor here says the correct answer is B, could increase the profit by producing more beans. Let's see the reasoning behind that. The reason is that in a competitive market, the firm is in equilibrium and maximizes profit at when the marginal cost is equal to price. So P equals MC, which is equals to $3. And here they're producing 2,000 pounds of jelly beans. That is 3 multiplied by 2,000. And that's a revenue of $6,000. In the case of Jerry's Jelly Bean Factory, the firm continues to produce as long as it covers average variable cost which is $2. So the average variable cost is equal to $2. And the firm should continue producing as long as it's covering its average variable cost. And it is, because the price is 3, which is greater than the average variable cost is 2. The price is greater than the average variable cost. Therefore, the firm can further increase its profit by producing more beans as long as the price is equal to marginal cost and it is greater than the average variable cost. So as long as this price remains the same as the marginal cost and remains $3, the firm can continue increasing its production of jelly beans because it's also greater than its average variable cost. So this is correct, and this is a great explanation.